Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo. Welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are going for a walk dito sa Logans Beach whale watching platform dito sa Warrnambool sa Victoria, Australia guys. So today, we are going for a walk. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Having a whale at a time. Welcome to Logans Beach Whale Watching Platform, wooden deck by the beach offering views of southern right whale activity. I don't see any whale.
I know the Gold Coast and stuff, it's usually in winter.
They said look at that one. We have a great open road. Visit the waters along the Great Ocean Road between June and September. The majestic southern right whale, the sheltered waters of Lady Bay, becomes the nursing of playground for the southern right whale between May and October. The protected bay is perfect for the gentle giants to give birth and raise their cubs. The whales migrate each winter from the cooler waters of the Antarctic and have been visiting since records began. Watch from the shores as these massive creatures frolic in the water and put on the spectacular show of tail slapping, spy hopping, and fluke waving as they loll about in the warmth of the coastal waters. The Logan Beach Whale Watching Platform east of the Hopkins River is a perfect viewing point. Notification of whale sightings can be found at the Visitors Information Center.
Then heat over here.
Hi? Oh.
They arrive from the south and probably come into warmer water.
that's it guys. That's our Logans Beach whale watching platform. For today's video is a tourist attraction dito sa Warrnambool guys, dito sa Victoria, sa Australia. You can see the wooden deck here dito sa beach, and then the offering views from the southern right whale activities. Pero guys, na pumunta tayo, it's sunny, so walang whale doon. So I think they said during winter, so during winter season, you can see a lot of whales there. So kaya merong viewing deck doon guys. So winter season here sa Australia, I think it starts the winter.
It's usually during Australian winters when they come into the port area.
So ayun na guys, so they come in the port area during winter season. I think it starts June or July. So, ayun na nga guys. Nakita nyo rin dito. It's 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. yun. Pero open for public. And then, it's free of course. The viewing point, the wooden deck platform. So, this is the end of our Logans Beach whale watching platform for today's video. I hope you had fun guys and you enjoy watching this video. Thank you very much for watching and thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Ciao!